Today na another day for our ogbonge series wey we dey call Na So E Be. Na So E Be na series wey we dey carry talk everyday matter for pidgin English. And for my channel Bethany Bless MD na there wey we dey carry talk all this matter. As we dey discuss am now, as we dey expect make you as lis ten er, as commenter and as somebody wey dey follow us for our follower in the page, make you dey join us for our discussion. Now today wetin I wan yarn una this evening be say e get one thing wey happen. I dey talk with somebody the other time and the person come dey talk tell me how e come dey open up to some issues and e dey seek for help make people guide am, give am direction as wetin dey wan do. Then e come notice say as e dey share this experience with people, and then those people e dey share this message go carry the matter go talk and tell another person. You know say e go dey like say e dey betray trust. Now as you go carry this matter tell another person, the person fit carry am come maybe talk am for church or talk am for where maybe you no wan make dem people hear am, and e come become another issue. So I wan ask why e be say na serious problem, and I come notice say even for when you go online check for social media, people dey talk about this thing that e dey hard dem make dem open up because they dey fear say if they tell them open up themselves to something, the person go carry the matter go tell another person. You go carry the matter go knack another person the same story, and before you know it, something wey you tell person in confidence make the person help you solve am, e come become like say they dey carry am use am for gossip. And you know say that kind thing dey hurt, and you no know maybe that story na personal story wey that person wey no wan share. So you go carry am come dey talk am, and then as you go talk am like that, e go dey hurt that person, and the person people dey kill themselves because of things wey no concern them. People dey kill themselves for things wey be say dey tell another person, person come tell another person, another person come tell another person, another person come tell another person. So you dey ask yourself, how we go solve this problem? So the thing be say e mean say we no go dey share our problem, because I think say they dey talk am like e say problem shared is half solved, problem half solved is shared. I no know how dem dey talk am, but the thing be say as you dey share your problem with somebody, na so e go give you idea or direction how you go solve that problem, no matter how difficult that problem come be. So na so I say make I ask am, how we go fit solve this thing? Me I come think am like this, come say maybe wetin we go do be say make we no dey too expect so much from people. And many times when we dey expect so much from people, e go be like say when they no reach that level wey we dey expect them, we go say these people they no do well, they no do well. So you see that's the thing. So but sometimes when you come reduce your expectation, say this person fit go tell another person, wetin I go do? E go help you. Now another thing be say maybe if you carry this matter now, let's say this story wey you wan share or that experience wey you wan share help, meet person wey dey in that field. You know say if you be professional philosophy, there's a chance that you may not like divulge the information. Maybe carry the matter go talk and knack another person, or carry the matter go drop the matter for another person. There's a chance, but no be say e no dey happen, because I don see situation wey be say you fit tell doctor something, yes, they talk am say na confidentiality, but you know say as they carry that confidentiality, person go just carry the matter now go tell another person. From there another person go hear am, another person go hear am, from there come become topic of discussion. And sometimes even pastors, you go tell some about something, maybe something wey you go share with am, tell am in confidence, make him tell you how you go sabi solve the matter. Him go carry the matter come carry am dey preach for church, and when you carry am come preach for church, him go hurt you, him go make you dey feel bad. And maybe some people wey get small idea about the matter, they fit carry am dey make jest at you, and the thing fit make you come do something wey no good for ear. You understand? So it's very very good make we still look for professionals. Yet e get people wey dey good for to dey keep secret, but I know say many people wey dey good for this thing dey very brilliant. I don notice say people like reverend fathers that they dey good for this matter, as they come get their training finish come become reverend father, go for church dey do confession. E dey hard make dem come reveal that, because they take wetin they call vow of secrecy. They take am, so that many times when you tell them, they expect say they carry am go their grave, you no go even tell am anybody. So na why many times people dey go tell them things. But I no know say this one no be say I dey come make I criticize our pastors them or other religious leaders. My own be say a lot of times I no dey too hear this kind story for Catholic reverend fathers, priest in the Catholic Church. But I dey hear am for people wey dey Pentecostal, pastors and all that. I don't know why this thing dey happen this way, but na many of the story why I dey hear. Na so I dey hear am. And as they knack those people, they knack those story, they knack that story with pain for their heart. And e no good. E no good. Na why I say make I drop the matter for here. So another solution wey we fit go carry am help ourselves be say, these things about sharing things, many times e get how you go relate to somebody. You go feel say, okay, this person fit share this kind of information with this person. E get wetin dem dey call vulnerability. E no be say no be everybody wey you go dey vulnerable to. No be everybody wey you go just open yourself to. E get some people wey be say as you look them, or maybe as you don interact with them, come see as they dey do things, you see, okay, maybe I fit relate to this person. So we no fit get am complete, because if that person wey you trust, if fit go tell am story, yarn am the matter, come knack am the story, you go just go balloon the thing, maybe go knack another person the story. Before you know it, the story go very very far, where you no wan make the story go. Na why I dey ask myself, I think it still comes down to whenever you fit talk with these people, anytime wey you just see and this person fit fit share this thing with this person, then if you get that trust, the person suppose earn that trust. Trust no be something wey dem dey sell for market. Trust no be something wey you dey just dey write am for face. Dem no dey write am for face. Dem dey see trust for behavior, for person character. Na so dem dey see trust. Trust dem no dey write am for face. So that's why that time you go see, okay, this person, I fit share this experience with this person. Make this person help me for this matter. So that's another thing. So you get many many ways wey we fit help this man, but make we no come put so much pressure on our fellow human being. As human beings, all of us wey we get our faults, we dey misbehave, we dey do some things wey be say if we look, we just feel like say we go kill that person, or we do something bad that person, and e no good. E no good. So na why I say make we help ourselves. Make we help ourselves and see how we go dey share our story. Make we try. If professional no work, you go talk with person wey you trust. If that one no come work, you go still try share the story with somebody wey you feel say, okay, this person don reach a particular level wey you fit share am. Otherwise, if person no misbehave for this aspect, you go misbehave for another place. So no think say, okay, because say I no fit share this story, we no tell you say make you come carry your story, come dey use a microphone, dey shout for the shout, tell everybody your story. Use megaphone. I get problem, I get problem, make una come hear me, see my problem. No. If you fit do am, na you for your na you know. But you know say the one wey you fit do, try do that one wey you fit do. People still get people wey dey fit trust, but na up to you for you to see those people. Anybody wey dey trustworthy, they no need to market am like as they market food. You go see am, see as na so this person behavior dey, and na so this person character dey. Na that one go help you make you do wetin you wan do. So that's it, my wonderful people. Na so e be. Don come to stay. And I know say if I don pick one or two things wey go help you for your life, wey go help you as you dey relate every day for your life. If you get any question, if you get any concern, if you get any comment, I wan make you drop am for the comment section. If you want other topic wey I fit deal with, wey I fit discuss, I wan make you see am for comment section. So next time I dey hope make I see una. Please no forget to like, subscribe and follow this channel. Dey very important for us. Make our ministry dey move to the next level. So until next time, my name na Uchenna Ozekwe, also known as Bethany Blaze. And na me wey get Bethany Blaze MD, this channel. And na series wey we dey do na so e be. Na so e be na series wey we dey carry talk everyday matter for pidgin English. Make una do well, make una dey well. God bless.